Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to use discount codes on your Nike account. So let's get started right away. Now this method will work much better with the Microsoft Edge browser as it has inbuilt feature that will help it detect any promo codes that are available for the website. So open up your Edge browser and then in the address bar type in nike.com and press enter. This will then take you into the official Nike website. Now click on the account icon at the top right corner and log in if you haven't done so already, using your email address and your password. After logging in, you can browse through the various different products that you wish to buy, and you may add them to your bag by clicking on the respective button. Now once you are done with adding your desired products to your bag, you can go into the checkout menu, and when you tap on the checkout button, you will be asked to fill up your payment information as well as your shipping address. Now within this page, when you are using the Chrome browser, the Microsoft Shopping will automatically detect the discount codes that can be applied. You can simply choose the Apply Coupons button, and if you have your own promo code that you wish to use, you can type it in within the promo code box underneath the payment section. Finally, after entering all of your required information, click on the Place Order button, and now your order will be placed for these products and the discount will be availed through your code right away. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to use discount codes on your Nike account. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.